Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this hologram video on CapCut PC. So select your video and you are going to just select cutout and you're going to select auto cutout on it, and you can add any background that you want. Then you're just going to go to effects and you're going to go to retro and you're going to add the frosted quality, but you're going to add it to your video. So grab it and add it here. You can adjust the filters and the strength and the noise and the sharpen bit. And then once you're done, you're just going to go back to the trending section and you're going to add in the Blu-ray and you're going to add it to the video, but only to the video. To edit the effect, just go here and you can adjust the blur, the strength, and the speed as well. So yeah, that is it basically. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!